abantu banjagaliza omusajja omugagga avuga emmotoka ennungi azimbye. It's not what I want. I want to grow with a man. But rich men come with a lot of disrespect, sorry to say. Because they think they have made money, they have it all, they're going to disrespect a woman. Success comes with a lot of problems. Engamba nti omuntu asobola okubeera oli munaku, you've been broke for some good time in your life. And then from nowhere, God smiles at you, the heavens smile at you. Notandika ofuna sente. That is when the devil is going to knock at your doorstep. Ogenda tandika ofuna ebizibu from wherever I don't know. And it's just like dating, like you've been there, you've been single, while you're dating, and omusajja oba mukazi. The moment you're going to start dating, they're even going to give you stories of that man before he was born. Because people are there to talk. Abantu bajja kwogera naye kati kiva ku gwe ng'omuntu. People have talked, so what? Nze nga Tracy, ngwe nga Mami Zubeda, what can you put out there? Are you going to be there until you're going to keep talking about yourself like, onayogede chino, let me talk, I silence her, let me explain myself. I can never explain myself to people. You get? Because Tondisa, you don't do anything like, I don't owe you any explanation. And the opinion you have about me in your head is none of my business. Because I've met so many people like, okay, it is okay. You're not going to disrespect me. The same money I can wake up in the morning, I go and make. No, please. I am educated, you're educated. Let's go to the streets and we work. That is where I draw the boundary. Because I should not respect you because you have money. That is not respect. You get? My father used to tell us, do not respect me because I'm your father. You get? Because people are showing me that just muntia, but do you respect me? Because most people are not respected. Just to what here. It is not respect. It is not respect. So, yes, they have reported me to you. Naye njagala bagambe nze ndi muwala wo tebibakwatako. Ne bagambe.
Tebibakwatako.
Nice.
Tracy mumuveeko. But they're saying love omusajja mujje ku social media.
Ngenda mujja ku social media. Njamuteekayo nga njagadde si be bampa ekyokukola oba si be baŋŋamba ekyokukola. But because on Tukiri Day you've talked to me, you've been there, I'll respect that until he marries me. Then I can maybe officiate him or officially put him there. But I'm not doing it because of the pressure of the people. I'm only doing it because I respect you so much, you've talked to me, and maybe it will spoil my future because so many of them